Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today I've got a repair for you on a 2000 Chrysler Voyager 3.0, and the problem that we're having is the serpentine belt keeps slipping off. This is the power steering / alternator belt, and whenever they go through a water puddle or go through some snow or whatever, the belt will slip right off on them. So we got a cheap and simple repair here. We're going to use this little power steering pulley shield here, and it's going to prevent that belt from falling off again. Now the part number is right here, and this repair is not only for the 2000 Chrysler Voyager 3.0, but it also applies to the 1997 through 2000 Dodge Caravan and Plymouth Voyagers with a 3.0 in it. So this will help a lot of people, and this will apply to a lot of vehicles out there. So if you have any questions, of course, comment down below. I'll be happy to get back with you. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is it right here. This is your power steering / alternator belt, and that's your tensioner pulley, and that's where we're going to place the shield. Now the problem is, and I'm sure you've probably noticed this too, if you look straight on at your belt, you'll notice that the ribs on the belt where it goes over your tensioner pulley are just outward a little bit from the line or the plane that the belt is traveling on, and whenever you hit water or snow, it'll cause the belt to want to slip off, and it'll pop right off of this tensioner pulley here. Now I've had experience in the past where I've tried to replace this pulley, that pulley, the tensioner, and get it all together, and well, we still got the problem. It still jutted out just a little bit. So I'm not sure what the deal is with this. Maybe it's just designed that way or what, but the ultimate solution for me has been to either put the shield on, or there's another kit that you can get that actually has a dual or a double-sided serpentine belt with ribs on both sides, and then a modified tensioner pulley. That's a little bit more expensive, or actually a lot bit more expensive for that repair, but this one right here is the one that I prefer doing. So, okay, I got you just above the alternator pulley there, and this is our tensioner pulley. And we're going to take a 15mm ratcheting wrench. We're going to place it on the bolt of the tensioner, and we're just going to loosen it up. I'm going to leave the belt on while we do this. Now, be careful. Don't try to pull on your pulley while you have this nut loose or this bolt loose, because the pulley will come off. But we're just going to try to do this with everything attached. Make it really easy peasy for us. Got our bolt. Now we're going to take our shield, the concave part facing out, and we'll put our bolt in. We're going to put our bolt, and this is the bolt that came with the kit, by the way. We're going to put our bolt in the pulley, and then we're going to tighten it down to specification. Now this tensioner is going to try to release on you, and that's okay. Just keep applying force on it. This is actually how you take the belt off, is you push down on it like that. What you're going to do is you're going to keep going, and even after it stops, you're going to keep pushing down to apply the appropriate torque to the bolt. Now I don't have the torque specification for this, and you can't over torque it, so see, we're at the stop now. We're just going to apply a little bit more force to it, and that ought to hold right there. So you kind of got to do that by feel, guys. I'm sorry I don't have a torque specification for you, and you couldn't really put a torque wrench on it right there anyway. I suppose you could take the whole tensioner assembly off and use a torque wrench on that bolt, but refer to your repair manual for the specification for that bolt there. Let's go ahead and crank it up and see how it's running. Okay, let's see what we got here. And I know I got a little lifter tap there. We'll check our belt routing, make sure it's routed properly on all my pulleys there. It's going around the crank correctly. Idler, alternator, tensioner, power steering. Looks good, and you can see how that shield, that belt would try to slip off, that shield would just prevent it from popping off. It just bounce right back. So I think it's a good repair. Well, alright folks, as always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Also, please read the entire description down below for more very important information about this. If you have any questions, comment below. I try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like I said, thank you. Thank you so much for watching, guys.